Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your morning webcast. Okay, daily chart. There was some tariff news last night, which pushed it down pretty nicely. It was choppy yesterday, especially midday. That kind of resolved itself into the close. We took a really nice short near the end of the day. Once we figured out the roundy and the new weekly pivot right at 2,900 quarter, we had pretty much spent the entire day below VWAP, our proprietary moving average, the opening print, the whole thing. Once it was pretty much determined that these up moves really weren't sustainable, we got into a really nice short. We rode it from 99.5 down into the 88, 89 area. Booked that for a total of 9 handles, and then last night we were able to go ahead a little bit before 10 o'clock, punch out of that, and then go ahead and get the flip down at 89. It just, we print 84 here. I'm sorry, 83 half, and it starts to kind of just feel like they can't really get it done. So as you get into the 9 o'clock hour here, you're building these higher lows. So he went ahead and hopped on board. Didn't catch the bottom. I was really looking to catch the bottom. Just looking to catch a trade that was working. 89, we took 11, then we took 12. We've got a runner now that we got locked in at 10. So, we've locked in 11 on that trade, assuming it gets stopped out. So, 9 down, 11 up, that's 20. So that's a week's worth for us in a couple of trades. So it's really a situation where this market has just had to kind of work itself out up here. So what are we looking for here? Well, we're back to the same thing we were looking at yesterday. We got a battle over the round number. We got a battle over the weekly pivot. The bears should have had converted. They rejected. It's okay to reject back, but you got to hold it here. So now we've been spending the better part of 4 hours above 2,900. That doesn't that doesn't bode well. So as we get into the regular session, the bears are going to have to make a serious push. They're going to have to turn 2,900 back into resistance and build some lower highs like they were doing during the regular session yesterday. You can see the thing kind of starting to arc down, which got us into the short in the last hour at 99.5, and then we broke lower on this tariff news. 2,900 is still going to determine the day. The bears have had a huge opportunity. Right now, it's an opportunity that's been blown. Now, bears blow opportunities all the time. Typically, the bulls make them pay. Now, it hasn't been that kind of tape lately. It's been we'll miss an opportunity, then we'll let you miss an opportunity, then you'll miss an opportunity. It's false breakout, false breakdown, false breakout, false breakdown. Nobody's really taking charge. Now, all of that is happening in an uptrend not too far away from all-time highs, but we'll see. So watch 2,900. That's going to be the barometer of where we are, and then we'll take it from there. All right, everybody have a good one. We'll be out with a bunch of stuff on social. Take care. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.